Today I'm installing a safety T-switch on a Mr. Cool air handler unit, model MDU 118036 Echo. Here's what the safety switch looks like. It screws into the drain pan, and this glues into the coupling that you screw into the pan. Once you remove the faceplate panel, you'll see the breaker for your auxiliary heat, and you'll remove this. Once you remove the electrical panel, you'll see the wires going to the outside unit and your thermostat. If you look at the wire diagram that is on the faceplate that you took off and flip it upside down, you'll see that these letters correlate with the letters that your thermostat and outside unit attached to. And over here there's a key. Your green wire is your indoor unit fan signal. Your blue wire is your 24 volt common, and your red wire is your 24 volt AC power supply. The red wire is what is important for wiring up the safety switch. Now be very careful, because your wires may not correlate with the same color as mine, but they're going to be laid out the same way if you're doing a Mr. Cool air handler unit like I am. If you're not doing a Mr. Cool, then you'll want to find your 24 volt power supply wire. You'll want to undo your 24 volt power supply wires like that. And what we're going to do is the two wires that come off your safety switch, one of them will plug into where the 24 volt power goes, and the other one will tie to both of the red wires. And what that does is it puts a break in the circuit coming from the power supply to the outside unit and thermostat. So now we have the safety switch wire tied to the power supply, and then it comes down, follows the wire into the safety switch, and then comes back up and ties into the outside unit and thermostat power. That way, when this float is set off with the water, it will turn the power off, or it will tell the outside unit to turn off and tell the inside unit to turn off at the same time. That way water doesn't continuously leak out of the AC unit and into your floors.